Well, go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. Alright guys, so seems like we have a little bit of momentum on the Mullen stock here. So um, day before yesterday, we had hit the all-time low at 15 cents. So as you can see on my chart here, this is a 5-minute chart, we have basically pushed up, retested the 22 cents after market. Pre-market, we retested again, but we have pulled back down a little bit to 19 cents and 40. So let's just jump right into Yahoo Finance here, see what's going on. So as you can see, we got a 24% increase yesterday. Uh, Market cap didn't move much. We're at 48 million. So that means there wasn't a lot of buying that was happening yesterday. So, but the stock had a little bit of movement. I think it's with regards to a little bit of um, optimism that came in the market from some mention from David, but I will get into that shortly. Pre-market stock is basically flat, 2.5% down, so basically flat. But look at the volume, guys. Look at the volume. Over 400 million was traded yesterday, compared to our new average volume of 53 million. Over 400 million. So it's kind of all set up for a squeeze. Not providing any financial advice, but with all the interest and the high volume that is coming in, it's set up for any time now for any big movement to happen. So if you look at the overall market was kind of flat or red. TSX, S&P, the Dow, the um, the comps were also red. Neo fell almost 3%. Lucid fell over 4%, despite that $1 billion Saudi investment that they had gotten. So I guess there's dilution happening on that side. So overall, the market was red, and I think Tesla also pulled back. So let's kind of jump in and see what's going on. There's no news on Yahoo Finance, nothing that's we haven't seen before, we haven't spoken about before. We spoke about the yesterday the moratorium on on debt. So, and that they have sufficient capital to last for the next 12 months. So we spoke about that yesterday. So on Twitter, this is kind of what was kind of floating around. So let me just jump to this one here. So this guy, don't know who this is. I don't know how true this is. Although you take these information with a grain of salt, but I'm just giving you as I see it. So this say for all Mullen family. I spoke to David. This is what I'm reading here. I spoke to David, and we are not going to have dilution till end of 2023. I have it in writing. Let's move this to where it's belong. So yeah. So this is kind of what was floating around, and I see a couple of even YouTuber like Business Dad had reposted it. On other persons that reposted it. I don't know how true that is. So, just take anything that you see with a grain of salt until you see something official on the official news networks, or even on Yahoo Finance. So this is kind of what also was they're floating around. A month ago, this is Mullen. A month ago, this was trading at over $1. This need to be over $1 to become compliant with Nasdaq. Some are saying that diluting will be ending by the 30th. Many will be piling on by the 1st. With the right catalyst and a good short squeeze, this could do a 500% run, or more, bringing at Mullen, hashtag Mullen, back to the compliance in a position for a bigger move up with production catalysts in the fall. So the overall feedback is like pretty optimistic. So everyone is saying they're looking for some big movement to happen. So Yeah, let's just jump right back in the stock, jump right back into the facts here. So as you can see, yeah, Mullen has did well yesterday. I'll take a green day any day of the week. So let's see if it will hold up. But let's take a look at the options and see what's going on. So on the option side, let me just reduce this here. On the option side, I waited until now to make this video just in case any news may come out. But the options have been reset. But from I took a screenshot earlier. So the options that came in is 28,000. That came in yesterday, which is pretty good in terms of call options. For Friday, tomorrow, 22,000, 23,000 is the open interest. 12,000 for next week, 7,000 for the other week, 4,000, and then the 21st is where we have that big option open interest coming in, 74,000. So as I keep saying, mark your calendars for that day. Alright guys, so market is about to open, so this is kind of what I have for you for now. So let's see what happens once market opens. Okay. As usual, if you like this type of content, and there this is the bell. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like, don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.